I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify password, whether you've forgotten your password or not. So the first thing you need to do is to go to our web browser and you want to sign into your Shopify account. Once you've done this, you want to click on your account name just in the top right hand corner. Then you want to go ahead and click on Manage Account. You should then see some account details. From here, we just want to click on the Security tab just on the left hand side menu. And then where it says Password, you just want to click on Change Your Password just to the right of it. From here, you just want to enter in your current password just at the top. And then you want to enter in a new password below. And in this case, I'm going to use my NordPass Password Manager to generate and store my new password. Once you've done this, you want to click on Change Password and your Shopify password will be successfully changed. Okay, so if you're trying to log in and you've forgotten your password, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first thing you need to do is go to our web browser and then you want to go to the login screen. From here, you just want to enter in the email address you want to change your password for and click on Continue with Email. Now it's going to prompt you to enter in your password. However, we want to change this. So from here, you just want to click on Forgot Password just at the bottom. From here, Shopify will then send you an email where you can go ahead and reset your password using that email. So we're going to click on Reset Password. So for some reason, Shopify doesn't want to send me the reset password email, so I'll just show an example on screen now. This is what the email will look like when you do receive it, and you want to click on the reset password button. Once you've done this, you'll then be taken to a page that should look something like this, where you can go ahead and enter in your new password, and then click on the change password button. Once you've done that, you will then be prompted to relog into your Shopify account with your new password. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.